This is CNN Breaking News.
Welcome back to CNN Breaking News. Today we have gotten some reports about an unknown person holding weapons in his or her position. People in Pittsfield are advised to keep an eye out and lock all doors and windows if you need to. The person's identity is unknown at this time, but the cops are handling the suspect right now. But for right now we have a lot more news to tell. The Kaiju Godzilla is taking a turn to San Francisco, and it's believed he may do that same attack back in 2014.
An Amber Alert has been issued by the Pittsfield Police Department. Police are looking for a child that went missing at Springside Park. The child was wearing an original blue t-shirt, red shorts, red Nike shoes, black hair and blue eyes, age of 7. The suspect that was last told on CNN has been confirmed. Her real name is Sarah Melissa. She is a 32-year-old woman wearing a white t-shirt with bloodstains, blue jeans and black shoes. She has black hair and brown eyes. She is also carrying an assault rifle in her position. People are advised to keep your children out of her sight and lock all doors and windows to prevent her. Stay tuned in for more information about this situation. A local area emergency has been activated by the Pittsfield Police Department. Residents of Pittsfield are advised to lock all doors and windows immediately. The same child abductor who kidnapped the missing child is confirmed to be a serial killer. Sarah Melissa is not from Earth. She is confirmed she was from the Gacha universe. But you are advised to take shelter and... You know what? Fuck it, I said it multiple times and you both already know it. But for now, take shelter and grab what you need for survival. Stay tuned in for more information about this dangerous situation.
Oh my god, honey, we gotta lock our doors and windows to prevent Sarah from killing us.
Yes, we gotta lock all of our doors and windows immediately before Sarah finds our house.
Okay, we locked everything in the house.
Yeah, we locked everything.
Hey honey, I have a question.
What is it?
Did you lock the upstairs windows?
Oh, shit. I forgot, honey.
What? You didn't lock it.
Shit.
Come on, go up and... Oh shit, it's Sarah. Go lock it right now.
I'm going up to lock IT. Oh fuck, it's Sarah.
Hey you f***ing You really forgot to lock the upstairs window? Well, it's time to f***ing die,
Honey, oh my god.
Said hello to f***ing Jesus for me, bitch.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Welcome back to CNN Breaking News. I am Nathan James, and today is a bloody Mother's Day as we know it. Apparently there is a dangerous situation going on in the state of Pittsfield with a serial killer from the Gacha universe. There has been many bloods in everyone's houses in the neighborhood, including windows, broken doors, blood splatters all over their houses. Oh my Jesus and holy mighty Lord, it's like something based on a horror movie. So for now we will not send out our correspondents since many of them died. Also, the area is extremely dangerous for our correspondent, but the cops are now at the scene trying to take Sarah Melissa down for good. Ever since the Interrupter attack happened 2 years ago back at Washington, D.C. is the start of all cages, killers, Jurassic World species, and a lot more. But for now, this is Nathan James, signing off.
An immediate evacuation has been issued by the Pittsfield Police Department. I repeat, an immediate evacuation has been issued by the Pittsfield Police Department. Many bombs has been planted by the suspect Sarah Melissa. Residents of Pittsfield are extremely advised to evacuate immediately, bring their family members to safety, and bring supplies such as food, water, clothing, medkits, devices, phone charger, warm blankets, and a battery-powered radio for your safety. The bombs detonated 1 hour have not been disposed in time. If you chose not to evacuate, you are putting yourself in danger, and leads to instant death. Sarah is believed to be nowhere to be found, and the missing child is still not found yet. It's believed that the child is dead or still ill. But evacuate immediately, right now. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation. Administrative message. This is a all-clear message for Massachusetts. The suspect Sarah Melissa has been arrested by the Massachusetts police. The threat to Massachusetts is finally over. However, Pittsfield is destroyed, and residents are not allowed to go home as there's literally no home to return to. Thank you for listening, and continue your daily life and happy Mother's Day.